Hi, it's me, Chef HR Khan. Now I am in Italy, Sardinia. This is world's biggest and best resorts. Is working with me here, Italian chef Stefano, working with me. He's a nice man, and I came here for show my expertise Indian food for 6 weeks. And working another chef is Matthews with me, and this field resort is very nice looks and very big kitchen and so many chefs working here. Almost all type of cuisine is here. Can see inside kitchen have many herbs tree. It's like a bay leaf tree and cloves and many things. I'm enjoying here to work. Is I came here for celebrity chef programs for 6 weeks, and I'm enjoying here. This resort is one side is big sea and another side is very big hill. Inside have football ground, tennis ground, and too many swimming pool and open kitchen and open restaurants can meet straightway directly to guest. So guest also enjoying very nice. It's very expensive. It's for richest people. As I'm going to show you how to serve fine dine food. Yeah, you can see I'm preparing the plates. For fine dine, we serve in one plate everything. Is have some salad or greens and little bit rice, breads and curries in one plate. You can see here is tandoori chicken butter masala. Yes, and greens and have pulao rice in this plate. It's complete food. And another one is a Rajasthani corn sauce and lamb chop with greens and with pulao rice. And I'm going to show you banana leaf wrapped sea bream cooked in char grill. And yeah, here is nice, yeah, boneless sea bream and with yogurt rice. And I'll put top of that is a green mango and coconut chutney. Is very nice, tasty. It's really nice to work here and very good experience and in Italy.